What's up, guys? This is a robot vacuum cleaner. "3x stronger suction power." And here's the back of it. Has 3x stronger suction power. You can clean from your smartphone. Touch controls, boosted technology, and washable dust box. Okay, and here it is. Okay, guys, so here's the robot, I guess at the docking station, and there she goes. So now, is it on auto now?
I like control.
Yeah, but I'm saying, is it on auto now?
Yeah.
So right now, guys, it's on auto. It's going by itself. Of course, you want to make sure you got everything picked up off the floor. Goes over. You be quiet. And you can control it, guys, with the app too. So that's the remote control. What, this right here is the remote? And you got an app. So you can control it with your, you can put it on auto, or you can control it with the remote control, or
I like Dawn, because I got a big house.
she named it Hazel. Or you can control it with the, either one of these. Okay, now send it back home. And when it's done, you can just hit home on your thing, and it should find the docking station. There's the docking station. How much was this one? $200? What?
This was a Black Friday sale for $100.
Oh.
Regularly $200.
It's Black Friday sale for $100, guys, but regular $200. And bam, look at that. Pretty awesome. There you go, guys. Robot vacuum cleaner. Have a good day. Peace.